Hey there, fellow supply chain superstars. We love getting questions from you. It helps us drive prioritization of our content, and today is one such video. Do you ever find that you're having trouble planning materials for the pace of production? Do you have particular materials that need to be delivered throughout the production run versus being 100% available and in stock at the beginning of the production run? Well, we want your exceptions to mean something, and we don't want you to have to break down your delivery schedule manually. So who better to ask about this particular topic than Nicole? Nicole, this is an area that you are very familiar with. Why don't you share some more details on it?
Hi, Martin. This is such a great question. Anything we can do to make a planner or buyer's job easier, I'm in. SAP offers several tools that can help us refine the timing of requirements, and one such tool is called the distribution key. This is targeted for our longer runs of production where we may need to receive several deliveries of particular materials to properly feed manufacturing. Once this rule is in place, MRP understands what we're trying to do and it splits the dependent requirement for that planned order. This then gives us a proper requirements date to align our deliveries to. It also helps us to get a more and meaningful material availability check based on our plan for replenishment. Let's get into SAP and take a look. Today, we're going to talk about how we can use the distribution key within the bill of material in order to evenly spread a dependent requirement out over a period of time. As you can see in this example, I have a component and my stock requirements list is indicating that I need 20 million pieces of this component available on 410 for dependent demand. Now, that is a lot of material to use on a single day, especially if we look deeper at the dependent requirement. We can see that this planned production order is actually going to take place over a matter of years. Wouldn't it be easier if we were able to evenly distribute this dependent requirement over the period of time for the planned order? Well, we absolutely can, and we're going to do that by using the distribution key within the bill of material for the assembly.